Ever noticed how shoppers browse your product page but overlook the Add to Cart button? When the button blends in, it's easy to miss, and that small gap can cost you a sale. That's why we built Crucials, an all-in-one BigCommerce app with 30+ tools to enhance your store and boost conversions. One of them is Animated Add to Cart, designed to make your button stand out and guide the shopper's attention right where it matters. To get started, just search for Crucials on the BigCommerce App Store and install it in a few clicks. Once you've installed Crucials, you'll find all the available tools in the sidebar, making it easy to browse and switch between them. Click into Animated Add to Cart and enable it with one click. You can then customize the animation style, choose from scale, slide, shake, or rotate, and decide whether the animation should always play or only appear on hover. Save your changes and test it live. With every animation, you're subtly guiding shoppers toward action, making their experience smoother and your conversions stronger. Animated Add to Cart is just one of over 30 tools in Crucials built to elevate the customer experience on your BigCommerce store. Try it today and make your Add to Cart button impossible to ignore.